I have like 6 cats. All from the beginning.
I want to volunteer here.
Find a kitty that you like. You can fill out an adoption application form.
Okay.
Oh, I love that one. She's playful.
It's got the cute, there he goes. It's got the cutest spots on his belly.
Oh my
This kitty.
I know.
This kitty.
This is Karen, the director.
Tell us how excited you are about getting a kitty.
I'm excited about getting this kitten. We wanted another kitten for
So
a while.
excited! Jump in circles!
I'm not to that level, but
There you go. Underneath her butt. There you go.
So they're doing all paperwork. And they're really good here about being thorough. You know, they want to make sure the pets get into homes, but not just any home, but good homes.